Hi guys, if you want to see how I made these realistic looking SunChips, keep watching. So we're going to use some pre-colored fondant that I just added a little bit of yellow to, some white and a tiny bit of brown, and we're going to knead in some of these chocolate sprinkles to try and get some of that whole grain effect in there. Once we've kneaded it out, I'm going to roll it out a little bit just to crush the sprinkles a little bit more so that you get a more fine texture. Just going to roll it out very thin, and then we're going to cut 2-inch squares. Once we've cut the 2-inch squares, we're just going to line up some lollipop sticks to start making the grooves in the chips. Then we're just going to put some more on there to further create the rest of the grooves that are in the chips. Once we've done that, we're just gonna get a torch and torch them to get a baked look. And then we're going to airbrush some color on them. They are garden salsa flavor, so they're going to look a little red orange. I'm just going to unevenly spray it. And then we're just going to take some petal dust and dust on some what would look like the flavor powder. Just remove the lollipop sticks and then gently snap them apart. Then we're going to use some buttercream. You can use royal icing too if you want, to pile them on and stick them all together so they don't move in transportation. We're going to use the burnt ones at the bottom to create volume and pile the rest of the better looking ones on top. Just going to pile them on until it looks like they're just pouring out of the bag. Then we're just gonna put some on the board just to make it look like it was just an extremely full bag of SunChips. Voila, the final product.